Okay, let's dive into this. Today, we're exploring that super thin line between being smart, curious, and just downright nosy. So, if someone calls you inquisitive, are we celebrating, or should you be totally offended? Let's figure it out.
It actually comes from the Latin inquire, meaning to search into. It's basically this intense drive to investigate stuff.
True inquisitiveness doesn't just skim the surface, right? It literally pulls topics apart to see how they actually work.
Now, what's really interesting here is that incredibly thin line between intellectual brilliance and, well, being socially intrusive.
On the plus side, this smart, curious superpower completely fuels academic success, deep analytical thinking, and huge scientific discoveries. A positively inquisitive mind thrives on concepts, questioning trends, analyzing raw data, and hunting for comprehensive knowledge.
It's like an analytical investor, totally mastering the market by obsessively studying the long-term impacts of a national budget.
But what happens when we point that intense investigative energy at people instead of concepts? Yeah, things get messy.
You suddenly become that nosy neighbor peeking through curtains or the coworker asking those super uncomfortable, prying personal questions.
So mentally check your motives. Are you being analytical and intrigued or crossing straight into snoopy, meddlesome territory? At the end of the day, being inquisitive is an absolute superpower for personal growth and mastering new skills.
The real question is your curiosity actually serving growth, or are you just totally crossing a boundary?